In this lecture, we are discussing about the MCB. MCB means miniature circuit breaker. The incoming terminal to the MCB is at from this point. There are also fixed contact and moving contact to this circuit breaker. The fixed contact is connected here, whereas the moving contact is connected here. The fixed contact and moving contact are made up of silver graphite. As the silver graphite is used, it has very low resistance and high melting point. And for the extinguishing of the arc clutches and arc clutch holder is used. This is also called as arc splitters and arc splitter holders. The arc clutches are made up of fiberglass plates, and these splitters or these clutches are placed in this holder. The bimetallic strip is used at this point. This is made up of two different material having different coefficient of expansion, and this bimetallic strip is connected in series with this solenoid coil. The solenoid coil is made up of copper, and this is connected in between this bimetallic strip and the moving contact. The plunger is connected in series with this solenoid coil. The plunger is made up of iron, and this plunger is further connected to this moving contact. This operating knob is provided for the manual operation of the circuit breaker. This strip lever is connected to the operating knob. This gives the signal to the operation, and the outgoing terminal of this MCB is given by this terminal. This is how the construction of the miniature circuit breaker is defined. Whenever there is an overload, the current will flow through this bimetallic strip. Due to this, the bimetallic strip expands. Due to this expansion of this bimetallic strip, the lever operation takes place, and due to this operation of the trip lever, there is separation of this moving contact and fixed contact. As the moving contact and fixed contact are separated, the short circuit occurs and the large current flows through this solenoid coil. As this large amount of current is flowing through this solenoid coil, due to this, there is a production of large amount of flux in the plunger. Due to this will cause the opening of the contact. The fixed contact and moving contact are designed in such a way that the arc which is produced between them move towards these arc splitters, and due to this, lengthening of the arc takes place and the arc is extinguished. The closing of the MCB is done manually only by operating this operating knob. The rating of the MCB is decided according to the phases as a single phase, 3 phase, and also it is defined as 0.5 ampere to the 63 amperes. This is it for the miniature circuit breaker. Now we are discussing about the ELCB. ELCB means earth leakage circuit breaker. According to the construction, there are mainly two phases. This is live phase and this is neutral phase. And there are two coils which are identical, used each one for the live conductor and one is for neutral conductor. The surge coil, which is secondary coil, is used for the trip coil. This main contact, that is opening and closing, is operated by using this trip coil, and this surge coil sends the signal to the circuit breaker. The live contact is further connected to the load and then to the neutral coil. The high series test resistance is connected between the live and neutral terminal. This is connected with the push button. This is it for the construction point of view of earth leakage circuit breaker. While talking about the working, in normal operating condition, this phase current and neutral current in these two wires are same. Due to this, the flux produced by these two wires is also same. But the direction of this flux is opposite to each other. Due to this, the net flux in this core will be 0. If there is a earth fault on the device, then there is a leakage current flows through the phase to the earth directly. Due to this, the phase current is higher than the neutral current. Therefore, due to the difference in these two currents, that is live current and neutral current, the EMF is induced in this coil, which is surge coil. Due to this, the relay wheel operates and contacts are opened. ELCB provides the protection to the human beings if the human being touches the faulty devices. The test button used here is for the checking the continuity of the ELCB. If the test button is pushed and the leakage current flows directly from the phase to the neutral, which operates the earth leakage circuit breaker. This is it for this lecture.